Hi everyone. Today, I will be showing you on how we can reprint ZRead in our POS front end. To reprint a ZRead, make sure that you are already logged in into your POS transaction site or your POS application. Go to your settings, click on the day end icon, and then select the date of the ZRead that you would like to reprint. You can use the calendar selection page on your screen and then enter the date of ZRead that you would like to reprint. On this example, I would like to reprint the ZRead for the transactions created last October 31, 2022. After selecting the date, click on Reprint ZRead. After clicking the Reprint ZRead button, a new window will open asking for the manager or the store admin's approval. Simply enter the admin's or the manager's password and then click on OK. After clicking on OK, the system will load up, and please take note that as of now, there is no preview of the ZRead report, but it will automatically print on your printer. For more videos and tutorials about our POS, please hit like and subscribe in our YouTube channel. Thank you.